How digital is my business? How do I attract customers with digital? How do I recruit talent implementing teleworking? How can I take advantage of technological innovations to create new services and reduce costs? All these questions and many more must be addressed for a modern and efficient company. DIMM.UP and its partners help you analyze your company through 115 indicators and 3 complementary methodologies comparing you to the best practices and benchmarking you. We can either help you or you can do the diagnostic yourself by letting the DIMM.UP.com platform guide you. Everything is explained on the homepage. So, what are you waiting for to analyze your company's digital maturity and drive its digital transformation in depth?